You are now tuned in to Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. I'm your host, Sounds of Shar'e. Today, live in studio, I sit down with two legends from right here in the city of Indianapolis. Today, I sit down with Paul Anthony, aka PA, and the one and only Brion Boyd Sr. Don't go anywhere. Hey everybody out there, it's your girl, Sounds of Shar'e. You are now tuned in to another special exclusive segment of Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. Make sure you don't go anywhere. Grab your drinks and grab your snacks, because when I get back from commercial break, I'll be live in studio with the one and only legends right here from Indy, PA, known as Paul Anthony, and the one and only Brion. Don't go anywhere. This episode is brought to you by Passion for Fashion Week, the Garden Series fashion show. Make sure you purchase your tickets today at passionforfashionweek.com. All right, you guys, you're back tuned in to Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. You know, I'm super excited because I am sitting down with two of Indy's own legends, Brion and PA, Paul Anthony. I'm going to go ahead and get these gentlemen up here. Super geeks. Come on, y'all. Hey, yes. Good to see you. We're going to do some pounds. Pound it. So I am super excited. You guys doing all right today?
Oh, you're doing great. Good.
Good to see you again. I was super excited to get to meet, actually, officially, both of you two legends. This past weekend for the 4th of July Daychella event, which went amazing. Go ahead and tell me, PA, what was your role in the event this past weekend?
Making sure everything was on time. Time is key when doing these events. You book it for a certain time. You want to make sure you book it and you have time for cleanup, setup, those type of things.
And Brion, so your role, I know you guys are best friends, right? Nice. So you guys came up with this together?
Yeah, kind of. PA came up with the name. I kind of already had the location kind of in my back pocket.
Okay.
Just waiting on a dope event like this.
Yes.
To do there. So.
And it was definitely dope. What role did you have in this 4th of July event?
I was a little bit all over the place, I was a little bit all over the place, but pretty much just helping facilitate, making sure everybody had a great time, just planning and coordination, pretty much good with this.
Nice. And you guys did an amazing job. I mean, an absolute over-the-top amazing job. I mean, I love Black excellence. And you gentlemen definitely brought Black excellence to the city of Indy. And not that we don't already have it here, but this was one of the dopest events that I've attended all year. Super excited. I was able to bring my models to play on Team 317 MIA for the volleyball tournament, which was super dope. Everybody brought their A game. Major shouts out to the other team captain. We had a blast out there. Everyone did their thing on the courts. So, with you being on Channel 8, really with us being on Channel 8, you giving us that opportunity. Brion, what did it mean to you to be on a worldwide news segment like that?
Oh, it was awesome. It really was. And shout out to mom and wife.
So that must have felt really amazing. That's super dope. Yeah, and you can tell that you were nervous. I know you said during the break a little bit you were kind of nervous to be on there, but you held it in. They did an amazing footage on it. So major shouts out to Random Newsome over there. Was super honored to finally meet you, sir. How did it make you feel, PA? I know you guys look natural on there. What did it mean to you to be on Channel 8 News?
Well, any directors, producers reach out. I'm ready at any given time. Now, I'm a DJ, so it's natural for me.
Yeah.
Be in front of people. Deep down inside, I'm a little scared, a little nervous.
Yeah.
But it's
part of what you do.
Yeah. You have to. When you get in this game, you gotta know if you're gonna be ready or not.
Yes.
You can't jam up and plus, a little secret, I was in talent shows. So
nice.
I performed in front of people and
okay.
At an early age, so I'm good.
Yeah, nice. birthdays, anniversaries, live entertainment, networking events, couples nights, launch parties, and more. For all of your booking needs, get on over to theretreatusa.com or book with me at 317-869-6345 and leave me a message.
The Retreat USA.
We're located at 120 East Market Street, Indianapolis, Indiana 46204, Suite 705. So make sure you book your next event down at the Retreat. Why? It's the vibe. Now, speaking of you being a DJ, I know you used to be with the Trill Type DJs, right?
You know, I'm still
Oh, are you still with the Trill Type? Okay.
for life.
No, that's right.
Yeah.
Nice. I know being in the entertainment industry, it's pretty exciting to me. It never gets old. There's always something new coming up. There's always something going on. And for you guys to bring something like Daychella to the city of Indy when we're not used to events like that, and to have it go perfectly 100% smooth is a big thing. Yes, absolutely.
That's
Thank
why
you. Yes.
I don't want to say thank us.
Yeah.
Yourselves for coming out with
Absolutely.
energy and being grown and showing, you know, we can come together and have a great time.
Yes.
You couldn't have asked for a better turnout. You know,
Yeah.
You really couldn't ask for a better crowd and vibe of people. So that was perfect. So,
It was perfect.
Definitely.
Now tell me about the Bel Air. So I seen this on some of the beauties walking around that day at Daychella, Bel Air. I seen it on Channel 8 News. I mean, what is going on with the Bel Air? I love it.
I mean, that's our team. You know,
Okay.
you know, that's like family. You know what I mean? So,
Okay. Now, were they a sponsor of one of your event? Oh,
They was the mega sponsor.
nice.
They gave us, you know, product to give to the players that won as trophies.
Yeah.
And then they gave us a lot of product just to kind of brand awareness, show their presence, and
Yes.
let people know that Bel Air is here to stay.
And it's very smooth. I do like the flavor of it. It's very smooth. Definitely a good
So
representative.
what's your favorite
My favorite what?
product?
I don't know what bottle I had. I had some of the one in it was like a creamish looking bottle.
Oh, it was a white.
It was a white bottle.
That's my favorite.
Okay. Look, I think it's like canned cream. I don't know. It's poured so quick.
Bel Air Lux. Yeah.
Well, yes, shout out to Bel Air Lux. Y'all definitely did your thing with that. Make a shout out to you too. Go ahead and we're gonna take a quick commercial break, and when we come back, we have a special surprise just for you. Don't go anywhere. For all of your bully needs, make sure you check out Short Shot Kennel LLC. Get on over to Facebook and follow them on Instagram at Short Shot Kennel. Contact Jay Black at 317-538-8268 today. Don't miss this year's Passion for Fashion Week, featuring the Garden Series fashion shows. Order your tickets today by going to passionforfashionweek.com. All right, you guys, thanks so much for tuning back in today on our Unplugged and Uncut. Make sure you guys stay tuned to everything that I have coming up, soundofshare.net, and major shouts out to some of my sponsors, Miss Beatrice Williams of Big Out Couture. Major shouts out to Carla Casper Jackson, a hair show that I will be a part of July 18th when she critiques. July 17th, make sure you check out Passion for Fashion Week Garden Series with Nicole Renee. Me and my husband, Brion, will be walking the line. Super excited about that. And we are sitting live in studio with two legends today who also want to give some major shouts out to some of their super dope sponsors and tell a little bit about what they have going on with the readers. Let's start with you, Brion. What you got going on?
So, shout out to British Frozen Custom for coming out, supporting. You know, they definitely came through as far as the extra games that we had, chairs, things like that. So, Ace Reynolds is also partnered with British Frozen Custom. So, it's the family-owned business.
Nice.
So, they definitely put that out moving forward.
Nice. You got anything coming up?
Yeah, we actually have Traffic 2000s. That'll be July 31st right here at East Coast Studios. And it's gonna be great. So if you guys haven't came to the 90s party.
Oh, I just seen that. I seen that on your page.
Yeah, so the
Man,
vibe.
I missed it. Y'all have to stay tuned to Brion. If you guys aren't tuned to Brion and P.A. Paul Anthony on Facebook, make sure you stay tuned to these gentlemen. They have some mega things coming up. We're going to turn it over to Paul Anthony. Go ahead and give your shout out to Got anything to say to some of your sponsors, or tell us what you have coming up?
Well, as far as what he said, Tracking 2000s right here at the studio. So if you love barbecue, it will be an inside, outside type of vibe. The tickets will launch this Friday, which will be what
I think the 10th, no, the 9th.
The 9th? Yeah.
Yep.
So the 9th, July 9th. I don't know when this airs, but yeah. So that and there's something I'm missing I want to tell you. Oh, July 17th, we're doing this. We're opening up Instapost Studio. I believe it's Black Expo weekend, and we're doing called the Shootout.
Right.
So we'll have a lot of models, makeup artists. We'll have a lot of props. You can't see the whole studio, but it's
I'm gonna definitely give them a tour. I'm gonna give them a tour.
5,000 square feet, and if you're trying to, whatever you're trying to do, you're trying to get in the media world, you're trying to get in the entertainment world, you want to network with the who's who of Indianapolis.
Yes.
You want to be here.
So if you're an aspiring model, an aspiring actor, a comedian, if you have a clothing brand, if you're a brand yourself, come on now July 17th. And then we can help you, upgrade your portfolio. If you're just starting out, we can help you with your business plans, marketing material.
That's right.
So this will be a one-stop shop July 17th right here next to Post.
I got two more. I want to give a shout out to Greg Buck. I want to give a shout out to Brion. They on the team. Work hard and
been able to put us on.
Yeah, nice. DJ Youngin, want to give a shout out to DJ.
Oh, we love DJ Youngin. Yes, he's very well known. Yes.
Appreciate them. Dre the actor. These are all family that are behind the scenes that help a lot of things. And I'm gonna give you just a little surprise, but you got to go on her website to see it. She's gonna launch the next date for Daychella. You gotta check on. She'll have an advertisement, so hit Terry up and we'll let her know first.
Absolutely. And this time, let me tell you, we are bringing the game. Me and my team have been talking about doing some volleyball, and we played against a really great team. They brought their A game. It was so fun. I haven't played in over 23 years. Not telling how old I am, but you'd be surprised. But so I would definitely love a rematch. So ladies, stay tuned to Paul Anthony and Brion. We may have some things. Yes, the things are definitely going to be high. I'm super excited. You heard it here first exclusively on the Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. You've been tuned in with Brion and special guest PA today on the show with me. Make sure you guys stay tuned to soundsofshare.net. Don't go anywhere. I'm heating things up all summer long. Make sure you don't miss out on all the fun coming to this year's first annual Fountain Square Creative Arts Festival. This will take place August 7th, 2021. Make sure you join us on Facebook and Instagram so you can stay up with all the latest updates. You've been tuned into Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut with your girl, Sounds of Shar'e. Make sure you stay tuned to everything with Sounds of Shar'e at soundsofshare.net.